old blackboards used to create a harmful classroom environment for both the teacher and the students because of the chalk dust from writing and erasing of the letters. But with the advent of e-blackboards, change has come to classrooms. There's no more need to worry about chalk dust and the laborious jobs of cleaning erasers. In the classroom where Korea's enthusiasm for education meets the cutting-edge LED technology of the IT powerhouse, an innovative class using e-blackboard is currently in session. Children are willing to participate as if playing, and they're learning creatively through the experience.
기존에 말로 하던 수업은 학생들이 쉽게 지치고 지루해 했었는데요. 아무래도 전자칠판을 이용해서 학습에 관련된 이미지를 보여줄 수도 있고 또 학습에 관련된 동영상을 통해서 좀 더 좋은 정보를 줄 수도 있으니까 아이들이 정말 재밌어하고 즐거워하는 걸 수업을 통해서 경험할 수 있었습니다.
The e-blackboard turns boring classrooms into a wonderful place of imagination. Using your fingers, many things are possible on this touchscreen with optical sensors. The cutting-edge classroom that wasn't possible with old blackboards and chalk is now realized in full. The blackboard produces high-definition images on a full HD monitor. Enlarging and reducing images as well as moving them are possible on the screen.
그냥 수업할 때는 집에 있는데 직접 선생님이 칠판에다가 그려가지고 하는 게 재밌었어요.
검색대에다 과일을 검색하고 직접 들여놔서 자유자재로 움직여서 참 재미있고 신기했어요.
E-Blackboard suggests a new type of textbook that is fun rather than just reading materials. With the e-Blackboard, experiencing different cultures and lives in vivid settings are now possible. Looking inside things without any disassembly is also possible. Children can now be freed from heavy backpacks and be provided with smart education in all subjects using the e-Blackboard. Emotion system helps with the sharing of learning contents. The camera automatically tracks the teacher and shows a vivid scene of the class. The videos of classes recorded like this can be utilized as high-class educational contents through various devices. The educational system using e-blackboards makes more creative teaching styles possible. Using the camera, a real-time interactive lecture between two classes that are geographically apart is possible. B&S Media presents a creative futuristic education that develops communication skills and the creativity of children through e-blackboards, the product of IT and imagination. In workplaces, gloves are a must because they not only increase work efficiency but also provide protection. For the first time in history, a Korean company successfully developed a knitting machine. This is a glove manufacturing factory where Dongsung Precision's glove knitting machine is being used. The glove knitting machine is a highly advanced machine, a product of cutting-edge technology that is made up of over 1,600 small, high-precision parts. The machine's motor carries on the knitting work within precise boundaries through dozens of motions.
저희는 장갑을 생산한 업체로서 장갑 생산에 있어서 품질은 편직기가 좌우하게 됩니다. 그래서 일본산 편직기를 지금까지 사용해 왔었는데 동성정밀에서 저희에게 편직기를 공급한 후 최근 몇 년간 사용해본 결과 24시간 가동하여도 전혀 문제가 없었으며 특히 사후 관리에도 많은 도움을 주고 있어 저희 생산 및 품질 향상에 많은 도움이 되고 있습니다.
Dongsung's excellent technology that was used to develop the knitting machine can also be seen on different machines. The rotary screen printing machine that can carry on the printing and drying of the gloves simultaneously improve the printing speed and area efficiency, thereby maximizing the productivity as well as minimizing the vibration and noise within the workplace. When works on various types of gloves or printing using two colors are needed, the multicolor rotary screen printing machine can do the job. Gimpo Factory has the cutting-edge production and performance test facilities, as well as a quality control system. From knitting needles to finished products, the machine manufacturing is done through a unified system. Dongsung's glove knitting machine employs the crank sinker method that is highly efficient and durable, thereby creating a completely convenient system that is relatively trouble-free. The needle bed that is precisely polished produces clean and high-quality gloves with the elastic spring and soft friction surface, helping the needles to move in precision. The machines are produced using the company's own molding process for the maintenance of high quality and productivity, and every part is manufactured in a standardized process. The socks knitting machine can produce up to 16 different colored socks, including the standard color in one knitting course. Dongsung Socks knitting machine that is capable of producing both regular socks and digital socks can produce all sizes of socks through its three-dimensional socks knitting function and the supplying of rubber threads. Furthermore, it's easily controlled through a convenient keyboard, and the manufacturing process is automatically put on screen and can be readily checked. Dongsung Precision was able to manufacture trouble-free knitting machines through the manufacturing of precise products and high-quality control. It is now the time for their technology to spread throughout the world. The Yonghung Power Plant located near Incheon is Korea's first 800 megawatt high-capacity thermoelectric power plant that supplies electricity throughout the Seoul-Incheon area. To maximize the cost-effectiveness of the operation, the power plant decided to implement the smart transmitter made by DUON System to measure the pressure, flow rate, and level. Many industry officials who visited the power plant are highly interested in the smart transmitter. The smart transmitter is the core equipment in automatic control systems that measures the temperature, the pressure, and the level of the material and sends the information to a central control system in digital signals. DUON System succeeded in developing the smart transmitter based on its own technology and built a manufacturing system that is based on the international standards to jump into the control system market. The contactless transmitter, which cannot be influenced by external environment, measures the distance by measuring the round-trip time for a pulse to reach the surface and reflect back. However, the transmitters that measure the level and the distance through contact can provide highly accurate measures and can be applied to various types of subjects. DUON System's Quality Control Department is in charge of testing and calibrating the machines that manufacture the transmitters. This is only possible because the company owns its own testing and calibrating system that's been certified by the Korea Laboratory Accreditation Scheme, based on its excellent quality control management system and technology.
저희 두온 시스템은 압력 분야의 국제 공인 교정기관 인증을 취득하여 표준기급 설비로 자격 인정된 인원이 생산 계측 정확도가 항시 허용 오차 안에 있도록 지속적으로 유지 관리하고 있습니다. 이러한 활동은 제조 공정에서의 제품의 성능을 보장하고 측정 결과에 대한 대외 신뢰도를 확보하는 데 있습니다.
DUON smart transmitters are manufactured under strict inspections. First, they test the product under extreme conditions to discern ahead the problems that might arise before shipping. In the calibration room, they test the accuracy of the product under extreme temperatures and humidity. After passing the automated test system, the products are ready to be shipped. The smart transmitters manufactured here become the core for control systems on industrial sites. The smart transmitter developed by DUON System based on its own technology will soon showcase advanced comprehensive measuring technology at the center of industrial sites around the world.